Introduce highlight features and quick overview of diagnostic tool, TOPDON ArtiDiag800 OBD2 scanner, scan tool with AutoVIN, AutoScan, 15 maintenance service, oil reset, ABS bleeding. Injector coding, throttle matching, all available system diagnostic. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 2021 new, AutoVIN, 15 hot services. Skip manual selections, identify your vehicle automatically, AutoVIN. 15 maintenance services satisfy most of the mechanic servicing needs, oil, SAS, EPB and tire pressure reset, injector coding, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration. Battery, throttle, gearbox and anti-theft matching, only for Asian cars with low-grade IMMO, sunroof initialization. Menus vary by vehicle's make, model, year. Email us your VIN data to before purchase for compatibility. This scan tool, same as CRP909X and CRP909E, gives you in-depth analysis of all accessible systems and electronics of most mainstream vehicles. Helps locate onboard computer issues much faster, with more precise results than standard OBD2 scanners. Do not support program. One touch wireless update, wide coverage, 8 languages. Wireless software update in one touch via Wi-Fi for new features, bug fixes, growing car coverage and more. / widespread car coverage of over 15,000 car models across America, Europe, and Asia. / 8 languages menu. Being a true definition of a user-oriented scan tool. Not a bidirectional diagnostic scanner. Active test is not available. Plug this car scanner in, enjoy smooth operation on its 7-inch touchscreen thanks to powerful 1.5 GHz quad-core plus 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM. Have timely technical assistance in feedback feature module, simplify repair process with detailed DTC explanation in DTC library. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.